Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I did just get a haircut yesterday, and every time I get a haircut I always hate it because like literally I feel like I cannot get past this length of my hair. Like every time I think I'm like, oh my god, my hair's gonna grow, I go to my hair girl and she's like, girl, your hair is dead as fuck. So I feel like since I haven't put bleach in my hair in like 8 months, maybe like now that all of the dead is pretty much gone, like it'll start to grow. I hope so, but right now I'm literally like hating my hair. I hate just everything about it. But anyways, let's make today's video really focused on all of my fitness and gym essentials because like I've said a million times, I've really been like going to the gym 4 to 5 days a week, and I have fell in love with a lot of like different things and some essentials for the gym that I'm like, these are non-negotiables. Like if I'm going to work out, these are coming with me. I figured I would share all of these with you guys, explain to you why I love them. So if you guys are interested in all of my gym favorites, gym essentials, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this because I'm so excited to share all of these with you guys. So I'm pretty much going to be able to link everything down below. So if you guys are interested in any products I talk about, they will be linked below. But these, unfortunately, I can't link because these are from Primark. So these are literally my favorite workout socks. So if you have a Primark near you, these are only $6 and you get 3 pairs. And the reason I love these is because, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here there's a little R. So these are each designed for your right and your left foot. And then they come with these little blister things on the back. So these are the most comfortable socks to work out, and they don't slip around in your sneaker. They really just like hug to your foot, and they just feel so amazing. So I'm constantly going through these and like repurchasing them because like I said, they're only $6 and they are such high quality. They're thick but not too thick where you're gonna like sweat in your feet during your workout. So they come in the beige, the cream, and then the black. And you guys, I swear by these. Every time I go to Primark, I always make sure I just stop and pick these up because I'm always losing them too. Like they always get lost in my laundry. But you guys, these are my favorite socks to work out in. So if you have a Primark near you that you can go to, these are the blister resist trainer socks. So if you guys have a Primark, go in there, check these out because these are freaking amazing. Let's get into all of my favorite workout sets, you guys. So I first want to start off with Lululemon. I know Lululemon is expensive, but you guys, let me start off with these shorts quick, okay? So I have them in this pretty green color, then I have them in like a baby blue. These are the 6-inch Align shorts. You guys, do you see this? The way that this band right here like holds you in place. Number one, you look amazing in them. I will insert a picture for you guys. You look amazing. And when you're working out, you know how sometimes if the band isn't tight enough around your waist that it'll kind of fold when you're working out? That does not happen with these, you guys. I love them. The material is so lightweight too. Literally, these are probably my favorite workout shorts that I own. Every time I wear them, I'm like, oh my god, I literally want to go and buy every single color, but I know that they are expensive. I think these are like $64 just for the shorts. But you guys, again, if you're looking to splurge like a little bit, I'm not saying that go crazy and buy every single color, but if you want a really good solid pair of workout leggings or shorts, check these out. These are seriously some of my favorites. And then I have this workout top, which I don't know what it's called, but I will find it and link it for you guys. Again, it is from Lululemon, but I love this because it comes with the built-in bra. So I literally I wore this set actually yesterday. I have to wash it, but I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. The combination of these two is my favorite, and I love this because it's an all-in-one type of thing. So I don't have to worry about like putting on a sports bra and then putting on like a crop top or a t-shirt, whatever. I can literally just throw this on and I'm secure when I'm running on the treadmill. I'm not like, my boobs aren't flopping all over the place. Like this is literally amazing. I think I actually wear a size 8 in this. So these run really small. This I wear a size 2. I'm pretty sure it's so weird how their sizing works. Yeah. So in the biker shorts, I'm a size 2, but then in the top, I'm a size 8. So I bought a size 4, was way too small. I was like, let me go and get a 6. The 6 was way too small. Like, these were literally like coming out of the sports bra part of this, and it was just so uncomfortable to work out in. So I was like, okay, if I'm not a size 8, I don't know what to do at this point. So I went and got a size 8, and it actually fit me perfectly. So yeah, this one definitely size up. Like I would like normally be like a small or like a 0 in a top like this, but in Lululemon I am a size 8. So these do run a little small, but you guys, I love it because like I said, it's just an all-in-one thing. I can literally put this on. I have my sports bra on and I have my crop top on. So it's an all-in-one. Again, one of my favorite workout sets. I do wear this with the green, and then I wear it with the baby blue ones that I have as well. Amazing. Let's get into more affordable options. So I did speak about these workout sets in my Amazon favorites. So let's start with this one. You guys, this set is $10. So these literally have that little thing on your butt where they make your butt look really good, but I love these because they're so high-waisted. So if I wanted to, I actually could wear this and then the matching sports bra and be good to go at the gym. I actually was kind of talking smack about the sports bra in my Amazon favorites video, but I've worn it recently to the gym and I actually do really, really like it. And I love it again because these come up so high that when you put this on, it's not like you have like such a gap between your sports bra and your biker shorts. I don't like to just work out in a sports bra. I just feel a little like uncomfortable in it sometimes, so I really do appreciate that these come up so high, and then this goes like low enough where you can just wear this as a matching set and be good to go. Again, this set was only $10, so if you're not looking to buy the Lululemon set, I totally get it. These are an amazing option. The only thing is they're not as secure as the Lululemon one. Lululemon band will actually stay in place for the majority of the workout. This will kind of fold a little bit, but it's really not that big of a deal. This entire set was only 10 bucks on Amazon, so it's literally a steal. So if you're somebody that's just getting into working out, you don't really know what you want to buy, what your vibe is yet, check out this set from Amazon because again, it's 10 bucks, and these, you guys, literally make your body look insane. So I absolutely love this. And then like I said, I was talking smack about the sports bra in my Amazon favorites video, but I don't actually hate it. It's not as secure as I would like a sports bra to be. Like, I do have a little bit of room in it, but I don't mind it. For 10 bucks, you literally cannot complain about that. Then I have this other set from Amazon, which I really love. So it's kind of the same vibe. This one is a little bit more expensive. This set I think was like 25 or 30 bucks. I do really like the sports bra a little bit more. I feel a little bit more secure in it, and then I do love the color of these, and I do really like these shorts as well. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the band is a little bit different. So this has like those little lines. So I feel like whenever I work out in these, I do get a little bit more support and the band doesn't fold over as easily. Again, another set that really emphasizes your body and makes you look incredible. So again, if you're looking for something that's gonna really kind of hold you a little bit more in place, check this out. If you don't really care about that, these for $9 or $10, whatever it is, it's so frigging worth it. I'm not complaining about any of these. I'm just explaining to you guys the differences. So between all of these sets, the Lululemon is my favorite. Then I would put the baby blue set, and then I would put this set. I really do enjoy all of them. It just depends on your preference. So I love my Lululemon belt bag, you guys. It's one of my favorite bags, but I think it's too small. I think it's way too small for what I need, you guys. The one from Rare Beauty, their little puffer fanny pack, you guys, is so amazing. It's so much bigger than the Lululemon one. You can literally fit so much in here, and I love that it's like this shape and not the flat shape that the Lululemon one is. This is amazing. I can fit all of my stuff in here. So I literally have my workout gloves, I have my OT band from Orange Theory, I have all of my lip balms in here, and then my keys can fit in here as well as my phone, and I still have room. So if you were looking for a good fanny pack for the gym, this one from Rare Beauty, you guys, I think it's like $29. I will have it linked below for you. It's so much better than the Lululemon one. The Lululemon one, the strap I like a little bit better because you can make it longer, so you can make it more of like a crossbody. This you kind of have to like, it's not as long as I would like it, but I don't even care because I can literally fit everything I need for the gym in this tiny bag, not tiny bag, in this bag from Rare Beauty, and it's black, and it's just freaking stunning. I'm obsessed with it. I haven't even reached for my Lululemon bag since I got this from Rare Beauty because it's just so good. It's so convenient, and I love the puffer material. It's so adorable, and again, it fits everything I need for the gym. So let's talk about what I bring with me to the gym. So when I first started working out, I wasn't wearing any workout gloves, and then I started to like get calluses, and then it was kind of painful for me to like do the weights or do the rower or anything like that. So I was like, I need workout gloves. So I picked these up from Ethos. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce the brand. Yeah, Ethos. I will have them linked below for you guys. They have changed the game. I have a pair from Amazon as well, but they're actually in my car. You guys, look at this. I put these on and I can do literally anything. It has a nice grip to it too, so when I'm lifting my weights, they're not slipping and sliding in my hands. And you guys, my hands don't really sweat when I'm working out in these. These have just been a game changer for the gym. I love them. I literally will not work out unless I have workout gloves because they have just changed everything for me. And this is so random and so funny, but I cannot work out unless I have a lip balm on. So this from Ole Henriksen, the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, you guys, it is my favorite lip balm, #1, but it's my favorite for the gym because it's so thick that when I'm working, it lasts me for the entire duration of my workout. So I usually do a 60-minute workout, and you know when you're working out, you're making like weird faces and you're like really trying to power through your workout, you guys, this lasts me the full hour. I have 2 in here. I have one that's pretty much empty and then I have pretty much a full one, but I cannot go to the gym without this like lip balm treatment. I don't know how people are sitting there without lip balm or lip mask on. Like I'm literally like, I need something on my lips because my lips get super, super dry and I'm always making weird facial expressions when I'm working out. Again, another non-negotiable for me when I go to the gym. If I literally got to the gym and didn't have my lip balm, I think I would just turn around and go home because I would be like, I cannot work out. Okay, I just keep dropping everything. But I would literally turn around because I cannot work out without my lip balm. Okay, so let's get into the last item I want to talk to you guys about. So this has been the ultimate game changer for me when it comes to the gym. Forget everything else that I've spoke to you guys about. This is literally my standout most favorite item that I've purchased. These are the Nike Metcon 5s, you guys. Honestly, let's be totally honest. I bought these because of the colorway. I was like so drawn to the neon and the white and I was like, oh, I want to work out in these. Like I love how they look. So I was originally working out in like running shoes and those were fine. You know what I mean? I'm going to be speaking from my personal experience. These are a flat shoe. So I was working out in a running shoe when I first started. The shoes I was using were so cushiony that it was really hard for me to balance. So when I got these and I put these on and I went to the gym and I was working out on the weight floor and I was able to balance with no problems, I was like, oh, I need to pick these up in every single color because number one, they're super comfortable. They're a flat shoe, so it's easier for you when you're on the weight floor to balance weights or whatever you're doing. It's so much easier to balance in a shoe like this than it is in a running shoe, in my personal opinion. Like I remember being all like wobbly and being like, can I actually do this like on the weight floor in this? These are amazing. These, I literally want to get them in every single color. For one, they're actually really, really adorable. Like I am obsessed with like the design of this shoe and they're the most comfortable gym shoe that I have ever used. You guys, I literally cannot get enough of these. There's one thing from this video that you guys get. You're like, I don't know, I need a new workout shoe. I hate my shoes. You guys, these from Nike, I swear to you, I look at them every single day and I have to stop myself from literally buying every single colorway because these are literally my favorite shoes of all time. I have this really pretty like pinky blushy color in them and I'm like, oh my god, please go on sale, please go on sale, because they retail for like $120, so it's not that bad, but I did get these on promotion for like $89, so I'm like trying to wait till they're like on that promotion for the pinky one because I'm like, these are so freaking cute. But you guys, so these are literally all of my current favorite like gym obsessions. Like I've been going to the gym for about 6 months now, so all these products that I've talked to you guys about are items that I really, really love that have made going to the gym easier or more enjoyable or whatever it is. I genuinely love all these products, and this bag, if you're looking for a new like workout bag, this from Rare Beauty is so freaking good. You can fit so much crap in there. I'm literally obsessed with it. Alright guys, that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know in the comments what your workout essentials are, and if I'm missing something that's like life-changing or game-changing, let me know in the comments because I'm definitely interested for all of you guys' input. And don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!